This is my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now I will show you how to add an eSIM to the iPhone 17 Pro Max for the first time. First, open the settings. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. After connecting to Wi-Fi, tap on Cellular. Tap Set up Cellular. Tap Use QR code. Tap Scan QR code. This is my eSIM QR code. Now scan your eSIM QR code. Tap Continue. Select Voice and Data. Now eSIM is set up on iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is how you can add an eSIM to the iPhone 17 Pro Max for the first time.